What if I told you that the very thing you believe makes you attractive is actually making you weak? That most men are getting it completely wrong when trying to impress women. There's one brutal, uncomfortable truth that separates the weak from the strong, and the men who master this truth become irresistible not just to women, but in every aspect of life. It's a lesson straight from the Stoic philosophers, and today we're breaking it down, stay until the end, because this could be the most important realization you ever have. Let's begin what most men get wrong about attraction. For centuries, men have been told that attraction is about looks, status, or wealth, and while those things play a role, they're not the foundation of true, lasting attraction. Ancient Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius Seneca and Epicurus understood something deeper, something that modern men have forgot. Goten women are not drawn to desperation. They are drawn to self-mastery. Think about it. How many times have you seen a man chase a woman, putting her on a pedestal, thinking that if he just proves himself enough, she'll finally give him a chance? This never works, and here's why. When you seek external validation, you lose power, and when you lose power, you lose respect. A woman does not want a man who needs her to feel complete. She wants a man who is already complete within himself. This is where Stoicism comes in, the Stoic key to unshakable attraction. The Stoics taught that the highest form of power is self-control, the ability to remain calm, confident, and unmoved by external forces when a man has full control over himself. His emotions, his actions, and his mindset, he becomes unstoppable. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Here's the hard truth most men overlook: you don't need validation from women's society or anyone else. The second you stop chasing approval, you start attracting it. So how do you make this shift in real life? Let's break it down, how to embody this power in real life. Detach from outcomes. One of the biggest mistakes men make is placing too much importance on a woman's response. Whether she likes you or not should be irrelevant to your self-worth. Instead of trying to impress, focus on living a life that fulfills you. If you're confident, if you have purpose, if you are centered, people will naturally be drawn to you. Epictetus said, "Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control." You do not control how someone feel about you, but you do control how you carry yourself. Master emotional control. Many men let their emotions dictate their actions, getting frustrated when they're ignored, acting overly eager when they get attention. This signals neediness, and neediness is the ultimate attraction killer. A Stoic man remains composed no matter the situation. He does not let emotions overpower his logic. When you are in control of yourself, you are in control of the room. Stop seeking validation. The more you seek validation, the less attractive you become. Women sense when a man needs their approval, and it's an instant turn-off. Instead of craving attention, develop genuine self-confidence, confidence that comes from discipline, knowledge, and experience, not from external validation. Seneca said, "A wise man is content with himself. Be the man who doesn't need anyone but is wanted by everyone because of his presence. Focus on purpose over pleasure. A man with a mission is unstoppable. When you devote yourself to something greater than temporary pleasure, you become a force of nature." Women are naturally drawn to men who are driven, not men who make them the center of their universe. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Stop talking about being great, start living it." The unshakable man hears the truth. Most men refuse to accept. You don't attract women by chasing them. You attract them by becoming the kind of man they don't want to lose, a man who controls his emotions, a man who does not seek approval, a man who has a purpose greater than himself. When you cultivate these traits, you naturally draw people in, not just women, but opportunity, respect, and success. This is the essence of Stoicism, the key to becoming truly magnetic and unstoppable. If this lesson resonated with you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, because your journey to self-mastery is only getting started now. Go out there and make it happen. What do you believe is the most crucial trait of an unshakable man? Drop a comment below.